Oh, did he delete it? What's up, guys? Let me just give me a chance, or give me a second. Give me a chance. Give me a second to pull up the stream. Let me make sure everything's working correctly. I finally hit 3,000 subscribers.
Why are California homeowners outraged about Prop 33?
I finally, yeah, I got 3,000 subscribers. Okay, so, Flipcoins, are you still here? Let me know if you're here. I don't know when. It doesn't tell me what point you messaged that. Does it actually here? No, it doesn't. Oh, I could actually set. I could actually add. This is how I add to moderator. Yeah, here. Hey, Roy's Army, congratulations. You are now a mod. A standard moderator. I don't know what the other one is, but let me figure out what that is. But yeah, you're a mod, man, so congratulations. You got promoted. If anybody, like, you know, I trust you. I think, I mean, I've seen you around so long, so, like, I'm sure you're fine. What's up, Yikes? What's up, Flipcoins? Yeah, so apparently, did he go live and did he remove his live? That might be what happened. So, yeah. Hey, Roy's Army, type something. There should be like a cog or something next to your name now. I already know what Flipcoins is gonna ask. Hey, Flipcoins, what? Oh, there we go. Yeah, you got standard mods, so now you could remove people. Like, you could ban people and you could remove chats and stuff. All right, let's check Flipcoins because I already know what coins he's looking for, and I already know I'm gonna check your coins. So, let's see where it went. Okay. All right, so resistance, support, we did come back down to support. Nothing has changed, right? We didn't quite tag 1 cent 10. We did stop around 1 cent 15. Now we're climbing back up. Keep in mind that the RSI, look, Flipcoins, the RSI, the stock RSI completely reset. So it's all the way down, it's resetting. And the RSI is completely oversold. And technically you double bottomed on the RSI, but you made a higher low. So expect some sort of recovery, but remember, you don't get too excited because if we get a pump and if it goes back up to 14 to 18, which is where that box is, it come back up, everyone could get bullish on it, and they could get rejected back down. And then if it gets rejected back down, that's when we're like, hey, we need 1 we need 1 cent 10 to hold because that is the last area of support. Otherwise, it's going to break down. And then your other coins, Billy. So, and then again, once 18 breaks, once 1 cent 80 breaks, you're retesting 3 cents 70, and then from there you're going to the moon. But I feel like you've done that like every single time. This is just a bigger sell-off. So yeah, so anyway, remember RSI is oversold and stock RSI is completely reset. So all bottom indicators and bottom signals for used car. And then Billy, I just made a video on it yesterday, but I'll check it for you again because we have a graph. Okay, yeah, so for Billy, unfortunately you can see that the box didn't hold. So the box didn't hold, so the next area of support is 15. The thing is that we don't know how low it can go. So it hit literally anywhere between current price and 15, so 1 cent 50 is in play until we get a reversal. When we do get a reversal, just keep in mind that we do have to break 23 to 29. Once that breaks 8 cents, 12 cents, 23 cents, then we can kind of say it's bullish, and those are the next targets on the way up. And then on the way down, 1 cent 50 is always in place. So that's all I got. Let me know if I missed anything. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. Harlem Fashion. Don't look like alt season is going to be anytime soon. Yeah, man. Here, let me show you. Wait, why does my camera look like that? Here, hold on. Let me see if I fixed it. What's up, Steven? How are you? Thanks for stopping by. Thank you so much for being a member. Let me guess, XCN? Swiftcoin or XCN? Swiftcoin or XCN? Yo, Flipcoins for 20. What? Thank you so much for that. Dude, you've donated so much. That's why, like, at this point, like, You don't even like. I really appreciate it. Trust me, and I know you're probably smart with your money, um, and I like really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You're probably like the number one person that's donated to my channel. So I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And feel free to always come by and not donate, and I will still do the TA for you. I'll still give you the time of day and look at all of your coins. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. That's awesome. That's really cool. So thank you. Um, Thank you so much. Uh, I'm betting crypto is going to take off after new president is named. You're probably right. XCN always. Let's check XCN. Yeah, I think you're right. I think we have to wait. Yeah, so nothing's changed with XCN, but I'll take a look for you. I'll take a look at it for you anyway. Thank you so much, Flipcoins. You earn your money. Yeah, thank you. I really appreciate that. That is awesome. So yeah, nothing's changed. So you can see if you take your fib from the high to the low, nothing's bullish until we break 2022. And again, that's a good target to sell for 8, 1, 3, 10. These are all good targets to sell, right? So you're selling on the way up. But if it does go back up to the all-time highs or 10 cents, that's around an 80x from the current price. So you're looking at, I think it's like the same target as Spell, right? 80x. And then what do we say support was? Support was like 001, right? It's a 786, so whatever that is. Yeah, 0001. So 786 is 001. So as long as we hold 001, it's solid, right? And then let's look at the RSI to see if there's any... No, nothing too crazy on the RSI. It's not like it's oversold. Stock RSI is completely reset, so I do expect us to get some sort of recovery or some sort of move up, whether it's 5, 10, 15%, I don't know. But as of right now, we are also consolidating in resistance. So if you take your fib from this high to the low, oh no, we're not. We're not even at resistance. We've smacked into resistance. That's right. For XCN, we smacked into resistance, which is 14 to 18. So with XCN, just remember if it goes up like it did last time. Remember we talked about this, and we talked about it. It's so important to note this, and it's important in case you're trading it. But if you're accumulating, then it doesn't really matter because you have your targets from the high to the low, right? So it's so important because don't get overly bullish and start trying to buy when it's going up, thinking that it's gonna blast up on out of here. Because look, exactly what happened, and it's been happening since August 1st. We go up into resistance, breakdown. Go up into resistance, breakdown. And I remember this. We actually came back up, tagged the top end of this channel, almost the top end of the channel, and then we got rejected again. So really important to note that this is strong resistance at this point. But that's yeah, that's all I got for XCN. Thank you for the membership. I really appreciate it. Hi, baby. Thank you so much for that. And again, thank you so much for points. Oh, the kids are back. It's okay. Oh, yeah. As long as they're not like that lady. What's up, Louis the Cool? How are you? Harlem Fashion. I'm depressed. Turbo. Down, 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 down. Hold on. Let's see. What happened with Turbo? I think I just made a video on Turbo, right? Yeah, that's not good. So we broke the box. All right, so let me do another video for. Let me make a new update for this because we broke. This is no longer valid, Harlem. So where I got this is the 786 from the low to the high. So worst case scenario, this area absolutely needs to hold. You can see it's a 786. This area needs to hold because technically you're still making a higher low. But if this doesn't break, then we're gonna have to cross our fingers that this floor holds. Otherwise, it's gonna be a huge capitulation down. Okay, but if it does, if we do get some sort of bounce and a continuation up, 2 cents is still in play. But at this point, given that this is the bottom, we do have resistance at 008 to 0091, meaning that right now we could get some sort of bounce. And hold on. I mean, the RSI, the stock RSI is completely reset. You can see we're like off the table, and the RSI is kind of towards the oversold, but it's not like it's extremely oversold. But again, relative to where it was before, you can see the price is still higher. So it is still bullish. It's just unfortunate that we're getting this big of a move down. But anyway, um, as long as we are under this box, it is still bearish, and you are looking at more of a move down. So, not financial advice, obviously, just my opinion. Sorry, I don't have better news for Turbo, but that's all I got. Let's see. Let's look at the chat. My first sell will probably be close to 1 cent. Oh, let me see. 1 cent. Let's see. 1 cent is 7x. What does that put the market cap? Oh yeah, like 280 million. I think that's very possible. I think that's very conservative actually, because 1 cent, is that anything on the high to the low? Hold on. No, but the 618 is 1.5 cents. So maybe sell some at the 0.5 in case it never goes up higher than that, so you could get your money back, and then 1.5 cents. Again, I really do think that like if like these literally get tags, in my opinion. Like XLM last time went up to the 786 and it fell off the table. So for people that were holding the entire time waiting to get to the previous all-time high, they never got there because it got stuck at the 786. But if you sell here, 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 then you're gonna make your money back, or just sell enough to get your money back and then just let the rest ride because you made your money back. And it's all gamble just anyway, right? But anyway, you probably have a game plan, but I just I want to see people make it. I want to see you make it. I want to make it. I don't want people to. I wouldn't want people to say like they don't want to see me make it and stuff. So that's why I'm always saying I want to see people make it, because I want it. I want someone to tell me that, you know, I want to make it. You gotta just put it out in the universe. I don't even know if that actually does anything, but hey, better to be safe than sorry, right? Let's check the. Oh, we gotta check DGen. Oh, we gotta check Caw. Crow with knife. Right? Yeah. Checking Caw. Okay, so we're still. Are we holding on to? Yeah, we're still at support right now. So, unfortunately, with Caw, this is do or die. If this doesn't hold, then we are looking at 726. And then if that doesn't hold, and if this isn't the floor, then you're looking at a capitulation down. However, once we do break out of here, then I do put the next target at the previous high. And then from there, Caw to the moon, and we'll just have to target it at that point. Someone asked for XYO. Wait, what the heck? Alright, so XYO. Well, let me check chat really quick, see if anyone says anything. I put so much in XCN that I'll be a millionaire if XCN gets to 12 cents now. Yeah, that's also an 80x. So yeah, even if you put 10 grand, 11 grand, 12 grand in, which is possible, which is like roughly around like the normal amount that people invest. No, actually, never mind. What am I talking about? People don't just normally put $12,000 in XCN. So yeah, that is you are truly gambling with that. I do think it is going to go up, hopefully. I mean, it doesn't like it just. I don't know if this is going to like the backbone decentralized Web3 protocols, like the, you know. I don't know if this is. I don't know if like. Hold on, let me see something. Onyx coin distribution, last page. DAO 10 billion, Foundation 15 billion. Okay, so they get more. The DAO gets okay. So basically, the community can go into this. And then the foundation controls more than 50%. Okay. That's fine. I, yeah, I mean, I do think it is possible. I do think it is possible for 1 cent for sure. Definitely 1.5 cents. But I would just really try to take profits on the way up, because you never know how fast these things are going to fall down. Which charts look better? Izzy, Pollock on base. I'll probably swap one for Suku. Let me see. Louis the Cool. What's up, Louis the Cool? Izzy. I mean, Izzy looks like it's about to fall off the table. Yeah, this is a huge gamble. 1.24 million, huge gamble, 235k. But I mean, if you're trying to gamble, then this is a good coin. And then Pollock. Pollock on base. Oh, it looks like it's trying to break out. From the high to the low. Yeah, we broke the 382. Super. This might be turning bullish. Once this breaks, usually you do get big moves up. You're looking at 003, 303, 305, 201 previous high. And this is a huge gamble because keep in mind this is 192k with 60k liquidity. So that is really good liquidity to market cap ratio. And it is a 17x back up to its high, which puts it back at like 2 million market cap. So huge gamble, high risk, even a higher risk and higher reward than Izzy. But yeah, if I had to choose, not financial advice, probably this coin because it looks like it's about to break out. So unless it breaks down below its 382 for whatever reason. But yeah, that's what I got. The base network cryptos are doing good, including Moonwell, Alien Base, and Talent Protocol. Yeah, how's Moonwell doing? I know there's a lot of people that ask me for like Moonwell updates. You might be one of them. Yeah, so far so good. I mean, we obviously exploded up on out of here. And now we're back up to its previous all-time high. So 236382 support. We are actually hanging on to the 236, which is very bullish. So the next target is, I think on the macro target, it's going to be as long as it holds over those two lines that I just drew right there, bam, these two. Your next target is 28 cents. Yeah, so it hasn't changed from the last time I made a video on Moonwell. However, just keep in mind that if we do break this, then we are going to get a bigger capitulation down, kind of like a big move down like that. So not financial advice, just my opinion. But you gotta do what's best for you, and just be careful if you're buying here because you do risk on getting capitulated on. So it has potential. It's completely decentralized project. Aldo. Oh, also, absolutely will take profits. Even 50k, 100k is fine. Yeah, seriously. I hope so. Let's see. I gotta make that call video. It sucks because I have to, like, I wish these people would just come to a live stream so I don't have to make a video and then edit it and then post it. But it's okay. I'll make it. Taking a look at Crow with Knife Caw on the live stream, it looks like we are still hanging on to the lower end of the band, which is the 236, which is support. It would be 7037. So as long as it stays in this box and eventually breaks out of resistance, then we are looking at 6014. At any point, if we do break below 7037, we do need to hang on to 7026, form some sort of bottom before we reverse and go back up. Otherwise, if this area doesn't hold, then we are looking at a bigger capitulation down. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Even though I already looked at it. Alrighty. let me know if you guys need me to look at your coins. I'm going to make some more videos, and then probably going to be a short stream, maybe 45, 50 more minutes. A GLMR. Moonbeam. Oh, yeah. Someone's asked. Oh, Gurkharon. I think you're the one that's asked me for that one, right? Oh, man, I really hope this thing goes back up for you. Okay. So, first of all, let's see. From the low to the high, it's around a... Yeah, you're looking at 100 to 300x. So, that's crazy. First of all. Second of all, from the high to the low, nothing is bullish with Glamour, Moonbeam, Moonwell, Moonbeam, Glamour, GLMR, until we break 52 cents. So nothing is bullish until we break this. You can clearly see we actually came up and broke it, and then we got rejected. So for anybody who was in it or who was buying it at the lows, look, like you could have took profits, and then the rest, it would have just went down to where it was. But at least you would have had your money. And then the money you had here, you could have said, okay, well, if it comes back down to this low, I'll buy. And if it doesn't, I already have the coins I need, so I could just let it ride, right? You just have to be patient because, look, this whole move took a year. So, that, like, it took 1 year. So just let that sink in. It's going to, you know, leave the money in Coinbase or whatever and don't look at it for a year. And then, oh, it came down. Great. Okay, I'll buy it. But you're also risking capitulation in it if it actually comes down this low. It breaking more to the downside. So yeah, that's what I think about what is it, Glamour? Yeah, Moonbeam. Nothing's bullish until that, and then you know, honestly, the next areas, there is no more support. Clearly the next area of support is a bigger capitulation down to around 5 cents 75 around here. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking into buying it, yeah, if you're buying it, then theoretically right now would be a huge gamble, but it's a high risk, high reward, because if you buy it down here, even if it goes back up to the 236, you're looking at around a 300-400% pump. So, and then you're looking at a 1 to 300% to back up to its all-time high. So it's up to you. You got to do what's best for you. Unfortunately, kind of looks like my coin. My coin actually, I didn't even want to open my Coinbase and see this because it's literally like, it broke its 786. So taking a look at OXT, the worst coin ever, my coin, of course. Look, if you take your fib from the high to the low, sorry, low to the high, we literally broke. And we actually were closing over it. So if this daily candle doesn't wick over it, like it did here, so everywhere you can see it actually wicked over and it didn't close under. Oh, wait, technically it did close under. Never mind, so this is already invalidated. Well, I didn't see that because, look, it didn't look like it until I literally zoomed in. Yeah, so I'm screwed. Anyway, good games. Yeah, so we're looking at previous lows here, which is personally where I'm going to buy because I might as well give all my money to OXT instead of just some of it. So anyway, it is what it is. Let's look at the chat, see what people are saying. Looking at never bought this. You're welcome, Louis the Cool. Everything is on life support. Yeah, dude, everything's on life support. No, meow. General Electric. General Electric. So you're a general and your name is Electric. That's pretty funny. So, yeah, everything's on life support. My thing isn't on life support anymore. It's flatlined. So right now, someone's with the defibrillator. Someone has a defibrillator in their hand, and they're like on top of OXT coin, like just trying to like zap it back up to life right now. Bzz, bzz, because there is no more life support for OXT. We are looking at around 4.5 cents, and then I think the next time it's just yeah, it's gonna be like 2 to 3 cents. So that would suck. GFI again. Let's see what to do here, good sir. GFI again. Well, is it over $1? If it's over $1, then you still have a shot at the bottom. But if it goes back to $1, you need to really decide. Cause okay, so it's still $1.27. What? Why is it dumping still? Like we had a nice little bounce, and why are we still dumping? Hold on. Yeah, so we're still over $1. That's still solid, but yeah, man. Honestly, if it stays over $1, you're solid. But if it doesn't, then I don't know, man. 61 cents is next. And if that goes that low, then that would be very concerning. Because a lot of coins aren't like, you know what? No, actually, like Jasmine right now has kind of the same structure. So does Pangolin. So it's not just Goldfinch. So like, look, let me show you. Like for example, PNG. It kind of has the same thing where it's breaking down, right? It actually broke down. Now it's consolidating. And then what's the other one? Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine's actually hanging on to, or was hanging on to. It's 382 from the high to the low. Not anymore. It needs to hurry up and get back over it. But yeah, so it's kind of the same. You see how like literally went up and it gave it all the way back. It's just Goldfinch has a like funnier graph because it did it so much earlier and then actually legged up twice and then came back down instead of like going up and then coming down in one straight shot. In one straight shot. So let's see what everyone's saying. GFI minus default plus token unlock equals sell. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Goldfinch, but it sounds like you might feel like me saying that and then reading some stuff. That's just FUD. That's what the definition of FUD is. You got scared, trust me. The amount of times that I read like, oh, XT's a scam, it's not going anywhere, like this coin sucks, blah blah blah. I still haven't sold. So like, if you believe in the coin, just don't sell it and just wait until it goes up. But as long as it holds over $1, maybe put your stop loss there. I don't know. Where's the RSI though? Let's see. Yeah, like, I mean, if you're up, you're still up, right? Because like, hopefully you didn't buy the pump, right? So even if you bought here, you're still up like 138%, right? Let's look at the RSI. Yeah, so the RSI is still in the, like, basically in the red. So it looks like it wants to come down, tag the moving average, and then get a nice little bounce. So I wouldn't put it past it if we get something like this, right? And this thing goes back up, and then we make that next level up, and we go back in the green, which actually gives us that higher high, right? So there's some hopium for you right there. But we'll see what happens. Because that was a nasty sell-off right there. But it looks like we did get a nice V recovery, so we'll see what happens. Alrighty. Can we get an update on XYO? Taking a look at XYO on the live stream. Let's see. Yeah, so it doesn't look like anything's bullish with XYO until we break the 236 at 006. It looks like we did try to recently break out of it, but it did not work. Now we're below this area. So again, nothing's bullish until we break 206. And then in terms of support goes, unfortunately, on the macro time frame, I guess we do have support here at around 004. So you got 004 needing to hold, which it actually touched point last time, quickly wicked under, and then got bought back up, and that's our reversal point. And then on the upside, we got 206. Keep in mind that we are forming some sort of downtrend. So until we break this, and hopefully we break 006 and get on out of here and maintain this uptrend, nothing's bullish. Once 006 breaks, then you are looking at the next target being this previous high, and then from there we'll just have to retarget it. So no financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Moonwell, I gotta do Moonwell. Oh, I actually just did Moonwell thing. Let's see. Degen. This isn't a shakeout, it's a breakdown. Big difference. Maybe. What's this like new coin degen on Coinbase? This just looks like it has the name of a coin that's going to go absolutely parabolic. So this coin came out April of 2024. Yeah, no, hold on. This was just listed on Coinbase, degen, 2024. There we go. So yeah, for degen, look at this. Like we literally fell and now we're coming back alive. So from the high to the low, we got rejected at the. It looks like we broke below the 382, so nothing's bullish with it. But I mean, 6 cents, and then we're looking at 50 cents. That would be around a like 60, 70x. So huge gamble. It would also put the market cap around still under 10 billion. So I think it's possible. From the low to the high. Yeah, 00697. That absolutely needs to hold, otherwise we're going to break down. So, yeah, we'll see what happens with degen. I am curious. They did just list on Coinbase, so I think this is one of the, again, I really feel like this is one of those coins that are going to do something stupid. But we'll see. Yeah, is it loud? Let me know. Can someone let me know if it's like when the heck Shiba skyrocket? Are you still buying Dojo on Mars? Or are you done with your bags? No, I'm not buying Dojo on Mars. I'm done with it. So Harlem, I said it in my videos, but for Dogelon, I'm not buying anymore until we get down to this area. So I said we have a resistance between 15 and 18. And if we never break that, then we're bearish, right? And the next area of support is 7097. So I'm buying when it adds a 0. So in the 9s. If it doesn't, then I'm done. My 44 billion, whatever, 400 million I'm just going to let it ride. And these are going to be my targets. These lines are my targets. So 6 zeros 4, 5 zeros 13, 5 zeros 26, and then 4 zeros 2. So that's my game plan. Analysis on H bar, good buy zone. Take a look at Hedara. No, dude, GE, you're joking, right? I was gonna go grab one of the cats. But and be like, no, this is my kid. But unfortunately, they're both sleeping on the bed with my wife. So yeah. So anyway, let's look at H bar. No, I am. These are my targets. These are my sell targets, Harlem. I got 6 zeros 4, 5 zeros 13, 5 zeros 26, and 4 zeros 2. And no, I didn't. If I'm gonna buy any more, it's gonna be at 7 zeros 97. So it's gonna be at 7 zeros 9. So that's when I'm buying it. I'm not buying any more. I'm not putting any more money into it because I feel like I've already put in. I put in what, like 4-5 grand. So that's still a lot of money. So for Hedara, for the gentleman who asked, I hope I'm holding for. Yeah, I'm holding the same amount as you. 44 billion. Yeah, so you have the same amount as me. So you have like the same amount of money. It's like 5 grand, like 50 something. So from the high to the low, to the gentleman who asked for H bar, Nothing's bullish until we break 6 cents 79. And unfortunately, there is no more area support for HBAR besides this low. So I don't know how low it's going to go before we get out of here. So it might do something stupid where it could double bottom here, or it might go all the way back down here and then get on up out of here. But just keep in mind that if we go here, we do also risk a bigger capitulation down and a bigger breakdown, and we'd be validating this huge downtrend that we've started back in September 2021. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. Any price targets for SEI bull run? Yeah, let me look at that for you. Let's take a look at SEI. It's crazy how, damn. So yeah, if we had gotten in, if you had asked me where it was going here, and if this was the bottom and you asked me, I would have taken my fib from here to here. And it's crazy because whoever bought here, literally they made 40%, 80%, 128%, 178, 250, 400. I guess that's not too bad. That's not too much. Never mind. I thought it might have been more than that. But you can see we didn't even tag the 1618. So also, just because I say the 1618 for clarification, that doesn't mean that it's going to indefinitely hit that. It means that the next target is the previous high to the 1618. So it's a range. So you got to just sell whenever you feel comfortable because it could never go that high, which is a clear example of it never going that high. And then as far as my price targets for this bull run, so we are still over the 236. Nothing's bullish until we break the 382. However, we do need to stay over 30 cents. So as long as we consolidate in resistance, we should be fine. Once $1.15 breaks, the next target for SEI is around $3.33. So as of right now, I'm going to put the target there, which as of today is going to be around an 8x. That is going to put the market cap around a little bit under 10 billion, a little bit over 10 billion actually, because yeah, it's 8 billion, 8 times 324, so 10 billion 400 million. And again, we don't need to look at the fully diluted, but just keep in mind that that number does change in case they do release coins. Okay, and you can see I think they released coins here. You see how it looks like they released coins here? Well, they did. Same here. So they've been releasing coins, so just keep that in mind too. Not financial advice, but yeah, that's what I think. What about Beam? Taking a look at Beam for the only person that ever asks for this coin. So, from the high to the low, we are still over 1 cent 40, so as long as it stays, once 382 does break, then you are looking at a possible bull run for Beam. At any point, if we do break the previous all-time high, you are looking at up to 11 cents. So keep in mind that as of today, that is around a 6x. However, back up to its all-time high is around a 2x. So is it possible for Beam to go 6x? I think so. That still puts the market cap under 5 billion, 6 billion. Yeah, so 6 billion. That's 6 billion fully diluted too, so it's very possible in my opinion. But again, we need to stay over 14, and we need to break 1 cent 70. So no financial advice, just my opinion. What do I think about Aerodrome? I have 2K on Janet on ETH going down like crazy. Hope it bounces back. Janet on ETH. You have 2K on this? Is this the right coin? Oh, no. This is not good. What a gamble coin, man. Oh my gosh. Hey, I hope you make it. Yeah, actually, I haven't looked at Jesus coin in a while. So I'll look at Aerodrome. I just looked at Janet. I'll look at Talent Protocol for you. And then, yeah, let me look at Jesus coin. Yeah, I have a graph saved for Jesus coin. Chart. So taking a look at Jesus coin, it looks like nothing has actually changed from the last time that I drew the chart. So it looks like we are still stuck in resistance, I believe, right? Give me a second. Yeah, so it looks like we are stuck in resistance. Once this breaks, you are looking at 6035, next area of resistance, and then you're looking at the previous high at 606. Once that breaks, I think it's going to go parabolic to around 5 cents 26, up to 5 cents 26, which as of today is around a 15x. However, just keep in mind that if we do break down, if the 382 doesn't hold, which has also coincide with this previous line that I drew, the last line of defense and area of support for Jesus coin is going to be around 7076. So just keep that in mind, not financial advice. But so far so good. We are still hanging out here, but what we don't want to see is a bigger capitulation down, because it is going to validate this downtrend that we're forming, and we're just going to keep making higher lows and lower lows. So sorry, lower highs and lower lows. So what we don't want to see is that. So we do need to kind of break out of here and get up on out of here, and then you'd be maintaining this uptrend. So not financial advice, just my opinion. What is this? Aerodrome. Ah, we got the people back in the chat. Let's go. Taking a look at Aerodrome Finance, I don't think anything has changed from the last time I made a video on it. From the high to the low. Yeah, so we're still over $1, which is the 0.5. That's bullish. $1.22, $1.68, and $2.38 are in play. As long as it stays over $1, we should be fine. If it does break below $1, then you're looking at a bigger capitulation down to this 618, right? No, 382. Yeah, the 382. So we don't need to worry about that though, because it hasn't happened yet. So as long as it stays over $1, we should be solid. $1.20 is in play. And yeah, that's what I think about Aerodrome. Talent Protocol. $11 million market cap, 0 market cap fully diluted. This coin just came out in August, so I have no idea. Oh look, it's my cat. Hey kitty. Hey, what are you doing? You wanna go? You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi to GE? Hi GE. I'm his only kid. Oh, never mind. That was bad. That was dumb. Could have taken that way better. Let's see. Oh yeah, Talent Protocol. Yeah, so this just came out, and there's really no TA I guess I can do on it. It's on Uniswap, so I guess we could check it out for you. Let me see if it's on here. No. No. No, I can't find it. Sorry, man. I tried to find it. There's a lit. Oh, I guess it's this, right? Yeah, there's no. I can't really do TA on this. So, I guess if I had to, just as long as it stays over 9 to 11 cents, you'll get a continuation up. I just don't know how high it's gonna go. So, I hope that made sense. Not financial advice. Anytime. Oh, I did Jesus coin. Come back after the halving. Is Shapeshift Fox still packing good? What's up, Monica R? I'll take a look at it for you. And you're welcome, Yogurt Time in Delhi. Yes, looks back. If I make it, I'll give you a big super chat. Hey, Louis the Cold, I really appreciate it. Thank you. You don't have to. I am here for you guys, and if you make it, if you don't make it, you don't have to do it. Like, just do whatever you want, but I hope you make it too, trust me. But I do appreciate that. I appreciate you saying that. That means a lot. So thank you. But I just want you to know, like, regardless, I go down the chat and I try to look at everybody's coin, because again, I was one of those people that always like message people, hey, can you look at my coin? So I know how it feels. to like want to know resistance, want to know support in these key levels, because you need that information to know when to buy. You need that information so that someone can tell you, hey, the RSI is in the green. Why would you buy when the RSI is in the green? You know. Thank you for your analysis. CTX needs to make it back above 250. Thoughts? Let's see. What is this? Cryptex Finance? Yeah, this is a good play. Super small market cap. This is on Coinbase too, right? Yeah, it is. I was looking at this coin. I mean, it kind of looks like PNG and Goldfinch, right? Yeah, so we got the move up, the head and the shoulder. I don't see why it wouldn't. Let me see. Yeah, so you think, what did you say, 250? Let me see. No, it needs to get over $2.08. Wait, you said 250? It needs to make it back above 250 to be bullish again, in my opinion. No, it needs to close, but no, it needs to get back up over $2.10. You can see that we've came back up and got rejected so many times from it, and it is a 382 from the high to the low. So I would say $2.10 absolutely needs to break. Once that breaks, then you're probably going to go retest this previous high, and then from there it's to the moon. And then in terms of support go, if you take your fib from the low to the high, you can see we're sitting. I guess let's use the wick, right? Yeah, you're sitting over the 618. So I'd say I put support, the next area of support, at $1.72. So as long as you consolidate between these levels, and then once you break $2.10, which is the macro 382 from the high to the low, then I'd say that CTX is bullish. Next target is going to be the previous high right here, this previous wick. That's what I think, though. $2.10, not $2.50. Is it almost guaranteed that all coins will... No, it's not. Like I said last time, even last time, I was in XLM and I got wrecked, but like even if I was in it, I would probably want it to go to its all-time high, right? So look at these old coins. So XLM never broke its previous all-time high. It went close, but it didn't break it. Let's look at Litecoin. Last bull run, Litecoin. I don't know why people think that. Litecoin never broke its all-time high. It came so close and it didn't even break it. 427, 413. So for people that are waiting for all-time highs, just don't get stuck. Just don't get stuck holding it, because, yeah, don't get stuck holding a bag. Waiting for all-time highs is what I'm trying to say. Got it. Thanks again. You're welcome. TA on baby Dogecoin. Okay, I think I have a graph for that actually. No, this isn't it. Hold on. Oh, I don't have a graph on that. Hold on. Is this the right one? TM Dogecoin. I'm betting on that coin to reach $1. Yeah, it did. Thanks. You're welcome. Can you check Kiev? It's volatility. It's been crazy. I've been looking around, but there's not much info on it. Yeah, I'll check it out for you. KYVE. Is it on osmosis? Kiev network? Ooh, whoa, what the heck? Bro, whoa, I hope you got in. Hold on, let me see. This coin, liquidity pair, is on osmosis. You're looking at 23 million market cap, almost fully diluted. Let's look at the market cap ratio. Okay, it looks like they released coins in December 2023, so a little bit over a year ago. Oh my gosh. What is this coin? this isn't it. It would be this coin. Yeah, so this coin went all the way. Did it go oversold? Yeah, look at this. It was oversold the entire time. And then it had a nice wick. And it came all the way back down. So just be careful. Don't get something like this again. Where you come all the way back down. And then keep this like downtrend going. What is the percent on that though? Yeah, that's crazy. It went up like 7x. Still up 100. Good luck. This is a gamble coin. I feel like you already know that. Good luck. As far as TA goes, I guess from the high to the low, you got rejected at the 382. You came all the way back up to 618. You got rejected. Now we're under the 382. So I'd say if it has any sort of shot, it needs to stay over the 236 to form a lower, higher low. Consolidate. It needs to consolidate over 2 cents. And then once it breaks 3 cents 40, then I'd say Kiev to the moon. So, not financial advice. Just my opinion. Just be careful, like you don't get some sort of pullback like this that you got here, where you just come all the way back down. Okay, 210 close enough. Thanks for the TA, bro. Been buying these micro caps on Coinbase like CTX, Suku, GFI. Hopefully, I guess 1 or 2 go parabolic. Yeah. Yeah, I hope so for you. I'll check Suku for you. I know. Wait, let me see if someone asked for Suku actually. No, nobody asked for Suku, but I gotta check Shapeshift Fox too. I'll check Suku. I don't think anything's changed with Suku though. Unfortunately, I think Suku's still bearish. Yeah. So from the high to the low, nothing's bullish with Suku until we break 8 cents on 19. From the local high to the low, we have resistance at 7 to 9 cents, which also does coincide with resistance from the high to the low. And then in terms of areas of support goes, clearly we can see that the next and last area of support for Suku is going to be around 5 cents 37. So as long as it stays over that, you're still making a higher low and you have a shot at the bottom. If it doesn't, then basically going to get a big capitulation down back up to the previous lows. So oh, baby Dogecoin. Got it. I'll check that for you in a second. Shiba Inu to $1? No. I don't think so. If you want to think that, more power to you. I don't think so, and we're all entitled to our own opinions. I'm not going to change your mind. And you shouldn't have to change your mind either. If you think it's going to go to $1, good luck. And I hope it does for you. I don't think it's going to go to $1, but I hope it does. And I'm just going to leave it there. I dropped 500 yesterday noon, and today at noon it went up to 2K plus. Yeah, but did you take profits? Hopefully, did you take your 500 out? I hope you did, man. Come on, please tell me you did. Yeah, it is volatile, but damn. Oh, please tell me you did. Oh, come on, flex. Or you might have been smart and you might have taken out like 1,000. Oh, you did not? Damn. Is this still up? I'm assuming you're still up though. Damn. It's okay. Hopefully it'll go back up. Alright. What was I going to look up? Oh, degen. Oh, wait. No, I already did that one. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Baby Doge. Let's look at Baby Dogecoin for Mrs. Fusion Deli, Miss Yogurt Time in Delhi. I need to think of another name for you. Okay, taking a look at Baby Dogecoin. Yeah, so literally this is what a weird graph. That's funny. At least you're still up, dude. That's good. So from the high to the low, yeah, so over point, I mean, dang. Yeah, I'd say as long as it stays over the 382, it's bullish. Otherwise, if it doesn't, most likely we're coming back down. I think the 786 does coincide with the 236 from the high to the low. So that's the 786, and most likely you're going to land on the 786 here, which is exactly the 786. So very predictable graph. I'd say bullish over 8016, and then if it falls below 8011, then you're probably looking at going back to these lows. So not financial advice, just my opinion. CLV, hey, be careful for CLV. They said that it's on Binance's monitor to delist. I'm not saying they're delisting it, so don't feel like I'm fighting you or whatever, but do your research, because they put Clover on a list of like a watch list for Binance coins that might get delisted in the future. If you don't believe me, Google it. And don't yell at me or get upset at me because I'm telling you. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because I went on Coinbase and I saw CLV down to 2 cents. And I remember when Coinbase first listed this coin, it was so much higher. And I remember I wanted to buy it at 2.5 cents. And then that's how this all came about. Because I Googled it and I was like, oh my God, like maybe I shouldn't buy it because Binance is saying that they might delist it. So I'm just saying. So unfortunately we made a lower low. We broke the floor, so nothing's bullish with CLV. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish until we break 7 cents. In terms of support go, there is no more support. You are looking at adding a 0.9 anywhere between wherever it's at right now to 2.095. So adding a 0. Again, with this coin, you really don't know how low it's going to go before we reverse, or if that even happens. So just like that's what's unfortunate here. We're literally, I think we just registered an all-time low. Yeah, so all-time low. So all-time high was 3 years ago, and then all-time low was registered 11 hours ago at 25. So be careful with this. No financial advice. DIA Libra Finance, please. Hey, Miria, good buy zone. All right, let's see. Damn, this thing went absolutely parabolic on Coinbase. Yeah, so DIA, congratulations to all the DIA holders from the high to the low. We are still over the 786, so at 74 cents. So it is still bullish. I put the next target at retesting the previous wick here, the 0.5. Next target up once it breaks that is $1.63, 283, and then DIA to the moon, 580, as long as it stays over the 382. I think the 382 also does coincide with the 382 from this low to the high. So a very crucial area of support that absolutely needs to hold for DIA. And then you said Libra Finance. What is this? Oh my gosh. This is not looking good. Yo, Flex, thank you so much for the super chat. I really, really, really appreciate that. That's awesome. Oh, yeah, it does look like OXT. But OXT is here. Look, Oh, very good. Very good. Look. Hey, don't give me hope, man. You can't come in here and give me hopium. I thought I was gonna lose all my money. Yeah, you're right. It is. It looks very similar. So by that means that that means that this thing's gonna go like this. Break this high. Dude, that would be nice. That would be so nice. Hey, don't come over here and give me hopium, man. You're giving me hope. And then you said Libra finance, right? Yeah. Hey, thank you so much for the super chat, Flex. I really appreciate it. So Libra finance, market cap 356K. Most likely you already know this is a gamble. It's not fully diluted. It's 350K but 5 million market cap, but it's a small market cap anyway, so it really doesn't matter. This is a gamble from the high to the low. Nothing's bullish until we break 10 cents. So keep in mind though, you can come all the way back up to 10 cents and still be bearish. And then in terms of support goes, you don't have any more support. It's like it's like catching a falling knife. So unfortunately, the next area of support is 2 cents 93, but it could literally bottom at any point from now until then. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And then let's look at Miria. Yeah, so for Miria, it looks like we're sitting on our last line of defense and our last area of support. So Bruno, if you're still here, Mr. Mars, our last line of defense and our last area of support for Miria is going to be 201925, which we're literally at right now. For whatever reason, if we break below this point in this area of support, which we've landed on, we are looking at the previous low being the next area of interest and the next target in hopes of a double bottom on the macro time frame, and then a fall by continuation up and the bull run started. At any point, if once we reverse and we break over 2.029, given that this is the bottom, we are bullish. The next area of support is 2.040, resistance is 2.043. Once that breaks, I'd say Miria to the moon. But until then, we do have to look on the downside and hope that we stay over this area of support. No financial advice. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, we gotta make a Shapeshift Fox video, that's right. Taking a look at Shapeshift Fox on the live stream. So it looks like from this local high to the low, we are stuck at the 382, so this is resistance at this point. If we don't hold 5 cents 70, which it looks like we're literally stuck at right now, we do need to hold 4 cents 48. That is going to give you a higher low and a chance to break out of this downtrend we're forming. Okay, so we do really need to break out of this downtrend, which it looks like we did, but we didn't close over it. So again, 5 cents 76 is very crucial, and we need to hopefully stay over it, consolidate, gives us some time to break this downtrend, followed by the next move up, which just validate this uptrend on the bigger time frame. As long as it stays over this point, our next target is going to be the retest of the 19.20 cents. So that's all I got for Shapeshift Fox. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you, Bruno. Thank you for saying thank you. I appreciate that. Let's see. So Shapeshift did that. Oh, I got to do Moonwell and Degen. I think I already did that though, right? No. No, I didn't. But I will check Moonwell. Actually, I do think I did that. Yeah, so I think that's all the videos I need to make. What's up, Indian Kitchen? Yo, Indian Kitchen's in the house. I already looked at Jesus Coin. But let me know what you want me to look at. Welcome to the end of the live stream. Welcome to the end of the live stream. Let me know last minute coins. I'll take a couple more coins and then we can call it a night. I can go to bed, or not go to bed, actually, it's pretty early. I can get ready to go to bed. And yeah, and just that. You're welcome, Monica R. Let me know if there's anything else you need me to look at for you. And again, anybody in the chat, let me know. I will be looking at your guys' coin for the next 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm going to call it a live stream. I already know Indian Kitchen wants probably Jesus coin, right? But I mean, I also just made a video on Jesus coin, so I could give you the updated targets, but I don't know if you have Jesus coin or not. Oh, 9cat. Okay, let's take a look at 9cat. Oh, we broke out. So most likely I did this. $1 million market cap, 129,000 liquidity. Oh man, you're gambling man. But what was this move? Oh my god, it was like 100x. And it's still up 10x. Wait, did you buy the low? Is this the right coin? Indian Kitchen, can you confirm this is the right coin? MMF. Okay, so for Indian Kitchen, from the high to the low, as long as, so yeah, it looks like we're stuck in resistance right now. So for 9cat, but just keep in mind, this is a very, very new coin. So for 9cat, this is resistance. So we got 001, which we're at, to 0015 being resistance. Once that breaks, then I do put the next target at the previous high. However, we do need to hold support, which would be the 618, I think, right? No, the 618 broke. So last line of defense and the last area of support for 9cat is going to be 3032. And that is, you can see that's a really big capitulation from the current price. So that area does need to hold, and that is an area of interest. So our best bet is for 9cat to get back over resistance and then basically continue up. But if it doesn't, if we get stuck at resistance, just keep in mind we can't come back up and then still get rejected. And this area does need to hold, and we'll be forming a downtrend. So that's what I think. I'll save this graph for you, so next time you ask, I can keep it up and I can look at it for you. MMF. I don't know what that is. Can you give me the price? Is this it? This looks like a rug. Oh my gosh. No locked liquidity. Market cap 1.4 mil. It's like 1,000x back up to its all-time high. I mean, maybe. I don't know what this is, though. And then the other gentleman asked for spike. Oh, this is a gamble coin. 100K? Is this the right coin? Spike, yeah. $280K, 130 liquidity, another gamble coin. Really, you know, needs to break 0006 to 0015. Once that breaks, then you're looking at a bull run. However, we can still get stuck at that, and as long as this isn't, as long as it stays over this previous low, we should be fine forming a bottom before we start moving up. Otherwise, this is just going to keep going down and bleeding. So, not financial advice. Ooh, LCX. Taking a look at LCX. Ooh, we broke down. Not good. From the high to the low, we did break below the 382, so it is no longer macro bullish. Last line of defense that it needs to stay over is 6 cents, which I think does coincide with the 786, right? Yes, it does. So it does coincide kind of with the 786 from the low to the high. So very crucial area of support that needs to absolutely hold. In terms of resistance go, given that this is the bottom, you're looking at resistance all the way up, back over the 382 on the macro time frame. And then in terms of the shorter time frame goes, you're looking at resistance between 11-14. And what that means is that even if we come back up here, you can still get rejected and come back down, and this target is still valid, and you'd be maintaining this downtrend. So at any point once we break out, then we invalidate this downtrend, and then we'd be actually validating a greater uptrend that's forming. So, but that needs to happen in order for this to be possible. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. And with that being said, I mean, that's pretty much it. Thanks everybody that stopped by. Spike on Ethereum. Well, thank you for telling me that. Spike. Spike on Ethereum. So from the high to the low, we are stuck in resistance right now. I'd say once we break that, we do have a shot at a bottom. Previous high is next. So yeah, I'd say bullish over 50s36, super bullish over 50s53. Right now we're smack in the middle. So for whatever reason, if we do break below 50s36, then you are probably looking at a bigger capitulation down to this low. If we don't consolidate over this level and form a bottom here, then we are looking at a bigger capitulation down and a lower low. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And as far as MMF goes, I don't know because I don't see it. You would have to give me more information on that because I don't see it unless it's this, which this looks like it's going to zero. It looks like it came out at $1 and just been selling nonstop. So you're welcome, Louis the Cool. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm gonna live stream. My goal is to live stream every single day this week. So, every single day this month, or at least until Vision gets back. So we'll see if, I mean, it's pretty exhausting, but I mean, we'll see. I'm gonna definitely grind and I'm gonna do it, and we're gonna keep looking at coins. We're about to turn bullish. It's about to be Christmas. Hopefully we all start making tons of money, which puts us in a way better mood. So we're all in this together. So I think this should be good. I think it's going to be fun to keep looking at every coin and seeing them go up one by one, and seeing your guys' coin, including my coin, go up to the moon, and then we could actually see it and see it happen live, right? Anyway, yeah, Gurkhan, I don't know what, like, this is not good at all. Let me look at it for you, though, but because I'll look at it anyway. So, like, anytime you get a coin like this is horrible. So, from the high to the low, there is no bull run for MMF until we break the 236, which does put you at around 207. And then as far as support goes, you can see there's literally no more support. It's like it's like catching a falling knife. You just don't know how low it's going to go. We did bounce from this 1618. The next level is the 2618. So that's where I would put the next target, at around 3068. And keep in mind, it's already at a 52K market cap and it's diluted 1.43 million. So are they going to release coins? We don't know. but it's not even fully diluted. It's only at 52K, but it has 1.43 million fully diluted. So also be careful in that term goes. But yeah, that's all I got for MMF. I hope that made sense. These are the targets. Macro 207, lower end. If this isn't the bottom, or if at any point it doesn't bottom, then you're looking at 3068 being the next area of support. Not financial advice. And yeah, for the most part, that's it. Thanks to everybody that stopped by, and I really appreciate all the super chats. I appreciate your time and everybody that's watching. And have a great night. I will be streaming tomorrow, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I will, and just a reminder, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. Last one, NCT. Oh, you are so lucky I read that. NCT. All right, Gurkharan, I got you. Let's look at NCT for you, and then I'm going to leave. Polyswarm. Let's look at Polyswarm for Gurkharan. So from the high to the low, yeah, so it's same old, same old. We're over the 236. Nothing's bullish until we break the 382. And then in terms of support goes, I think we bounced from support, right? Yeah, so we did bounce from support. We had support at 1 cent, and we tagged it, bounced, never came back down that low. We are consolidating in resistance right now on the macro time frame, so that's good. So as far as on the downside, I'd say it needs to hold 1 cent 30. And on the upside, once we break 2 cents 10, then you're looking at retesting this previous high at 5 cents. Once that breaks, I'd say NTT to the moon. We'll just have to redraw the targets at that point. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you everybody that stopped by. No more coins. Have a great night. And yeah, take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I really need an outro. I got to figure out how to put in an outro, or like push a button and then have it do an outro. So